Want to record calls on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily record the calls on iPhone. First thing first, head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. And then you have to move into Apps. Inside Apps, search for the application Phone. Once found, you need to click on it. Once again, scroll all the way down and move into Call Recording. You have to make sure that you enable this option. Once enabled, head over to the application Phone and then move into Contacts. From here, call any of the person that you want to record the call. Now, if you want to record the call, you need to click on this voice icon at the top left corner. There it says this call will be recorded. Now, whatever you guys talks on the call will be recorded and saved into Notes app. So this is simply how you can record call on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.